Well, it's fall in the Northland, and that means plowing season is right around the corner. So this year, I wised up, and I got a plow for my Polaris Sportsman 500, and I'll show you how to put the bracket on. This is the plow I got. It's a Kimpex Click&go 1, and maybe you'll have a chipmunk friend to help you too. Come on, buddy. This is the contents of the Click&go 1 mount or bracket kit. So it comes with rules, and then the hardware and the plate here. Alrighty, so since I'm kind of a wuss and I don't feel like holding the plow bracket up, I just put a little floor jack underneath it. That way I don't have to fight with it, or I don't have to hold it. It's kind of heavy, it's like plate steel or whatever. So, and plus I can just move it around easy, not struggle. What you'll do is you'll take one of the U-bolts. So just come right over on the footboard here, and that U-bolt drops right into place there. Hopefully you can see that. Yeah. Okay. Let's go ahead and line that up. And again, with the trusty floor jack, it's like totally effortless. So one of those, a nylock. And I'm not tightening it down, I'm just, you know, just securing it so it doesn't flop all over the place. And I'll do the same on the other side. Hi, buddy. Hi. He's my my shop helper. So the rules show to use the center hole for this year. So I made a mistake. I put two washers on these, on this side and on these, 2 and 2. And then that left me 2 washers short for these bolts. But I'm washer rich, so I'm just gonna grab one out of my stash.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along?
There. Okay. There's no torque spec on this, so I'm just going to give it one ugga-dugga. So that's how it should look. This would be a much better video if I had like a proper lift and all the rest, but I don't, so this is what you get. Okay, so it's lined up like so. If you're stronger than me, this would probably be a lot easier. But, you know, I do what I can by myself. Those will settle onto the pins, I guess. So these are spring-loaded, so you pull them out and they go on. That's it. This is how we're looking now. Looks like a plow. Gotta hook my winch up to the chain. So that's what it looks like under there. Pretty simple. This little thingy is what, so you can swivel the plow. So I'm just gonna grease everything all up, and then I'll take it down the driveway and see if I can push some rocks. My husband will love that. that was helpful. And if it wasn't helpful, I hope it was at least entertaining. And as always, if I can do it, you can do it. Thanks for watching.